Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, just issued a chilling warning. He says AI could wipe out entire job categories. And he's not talking about the future. He's talking about right now. I just proved him right. I automated my entire company with AI. And the 90-day results will shock you. My name is your name. I run a mid-sized marketing agency. We specialize in content creation and social media management. We had 30 employees. A comfortable, profitable business. Or so I thought. Then the AI revolution hit. ChatGPT launched. DALL-E exploded. Every day, a new tool emerged. My team was buzzing. Some were excited. Many were terrified. They saw the writing on the wall. I saw it too. But I saw an opportunity. A chance to transform. A chance to innovate. A chance to lead. Not just survive. So I made a radical decision. I decided to automate my entire company. With AI. In 90 days. This wasn't some theoretical exercise. This was a real business. Real people. Real livelihoods. And a very real risk. Many called me crazy. My board was skeptical. My employees were anxious. But I was convinced. I started with a simple question: what does every employee actually do? I broke down every role. Every task. Every minute of their day. From the CEO down to the intern. We mapped workflows. We analyzed processes. We identified bottlenecks. What I found was alarming. So much repetitive work. So much manual effort. So much wasted time. Tasks that could easily be automated. Tasks that should be automated. According to Accenture, 80% of current tasks could be impacted by AI. I saw that in my own company. I began by targeting the most repetitive, high-volume tasks. Data entry. Email drafting. Basic research. Social media scheduling. These are the low-hanging fruit for AI. Our first experiment was with customer support. We integrated an AI chatbot. It handled FAQs. It directed inquiries. It provided instant responses. Within weeks, it was resolving 70% of customer issues. Our human agents could focus on complex problems. They became problem solvers, not answer bots. Next, content creation. We used AI for initial drafts of blog posts. For social media captions. For video scripts. The AI generated ideas. It structured content. It even optimized for SEO. Our writers became editors. They refined. They added nuance. They injected creativity. Their output quality skyrocketed. Their efficiency went through the roof. Then came project management. We implemented an AI-powered project tracker. It assigned tasks. It monitored progress. It predicted delays. It even suggested resource reallocation. Managers gained unprecedented visibility. They could anticipate problems before they arose. They could optimize team performance. Marketing campaigns were next. AI analyzed market trends. It identified target audiences. It crafted personalized ad copy. It even optimized ad spend in real time. Our campaigns became hyper-targeted. Our ROI soared. Our marketing team became strategists, not just executors. I won't lie. It wasn't easy. There was resistance. There was fear. There was a steep learning curve. But we provided training. We communicated transparently. We focused on reskilling. We showed them how AI would augment their roles, not eliminate them. But here's the uncomfortable truth: some roles were indeed eliminated. Positions that were entirely repetitive. Entirely automatable. That's the stark reality of this shift. According to a McKinsey report, up to 30% of hours worked globally could be automated by 2030. For me, it happened faster. After 90 days, the results were undeniable. We reduced our operational costs by 40%. Our productivity increased by 60%. Our project completion time dropped by 30%. Our revenue grew by 25%. And our remaining employees? They were doing higher value work. They were more engaged, more strategic, more creative. They were empowered, not replaced. This isn't about replacing humans with robots. This is about replacing outdated processes with intelligent systems. It's about empowering humans to do their best work. To focus on what only humans can do: innovate, strategize, empathize, create. Goldman Sachs estimates AI could increase global GDP by 7% over a 10-year period. This is the new industrial revolution. And it's happening now. The companies that embrace it will thrive. The companies that resist it will be left behind. My company is now leaner, faster, more agile, more profitable. We're a testament to what's possible. This isn't just a vision for the future. It's a blueprint for today. This transformation wasn't about finding individual AI tools. It was about building an AI-powered asterisk system star. A new operating model. It was about strategically integrating AI across every facet of the business. From HR to finance to sales to operations. Every department, every function, reimagined through an AI lens. We didn't just automate tasks, we re-engineered workflows. We didn't just use AI, we built an AI-driven culture. A culture of continuous improvement. A culture of intelligent automation. This is the difference between dabbling with AI and truly transforming with AI. MIT's Sloan School of Management recently published research showing that companies integrating AI across their operations achieve significantly higher performance metrics. This isn't just theory, it's proven in practice. My experience confirms it. If you're a CEO, a founder, a leader, you need to understand this. Your competitors are already thinking about it. Some are already doing it. The question isn't asterisk if asterisk AI will impact your business. It's asterisk when star. And asterisk how asterisk you respond. Don't wait for your industry to be disrupted. Be the disruptor. Don't fear the future. Build it. This isn't just about efficiency. It's about competitive advantage. It's about survival. It's about future-proofing your business. My journey proved that automating an entire company with AI isn't just possible. It's essential. It's not a fantasy. It's a strategy. It's a path to unprecedented growth and innovation. And it's available to you right now.